And welcome to another review. Today, we're reviewing this thing. It's a Scosche HD DVR Dashcam, or Cámara de Tablero DVR and HD. Right. I picked this up from Walmart. They were on clearance for $9 a piece. So that's already a good deal. Night vision 6 IR lens, yeah, I'm sure. 1080p HD. Includes 4GB micro SD. 100 something. Right. On the back here, 3 recording modes. AVI videos, JPEG photos. Do I look like I know what a JPEG is? Mounts easily to any windshield. 10-foot charging cable, suction cup mount, seamless loop recording, hands-free auto on-off, and a car adapter. Right. Selectable camera mode. Snap photos of damage instantly for use in your insurance claims. Yeah, if you don't have something called a phone. DDVR2 Dashcam comes loaded with a 4GB micro SD card, expandable up to 32 gigs. Selectable night mode. Yeah. Alright, let's have a look at the unit itself. Alright, so here is the unit itself. It looks like this from the front. It's got buttons on the bottom here. You turn it on, but slight problem. Nothing that I drive has a cigarette lighter that actually works. So as of right now, the battery's currently dead. So if you put it up here like this, look at that. Mounts right up. Easy to mount. Comes with a charging cable. Let's see if we can test the video quality here. Alright, so here's what it looks like. As you can see here, the quality is actually pretty good. The field of view isn't very good. I mean, you can't even see to the other side of the hood. But you can definitely see all what's in front of you and everything. The quality is pretty good. However, the audio quality, which I will show you now, isn't. Let's take a listen. Yeah, the audio, that's not good at all. Overall, though, shut up, phone. Overall, though, the quality is pretty good. This is 1080p, I believe. But it actually runs at a pretty good frame rate. However, the audio quality, yeah. What do I think of that?
I'd have to say it would be garbage!
Yeah. But, hey, for $9, you can't go wrong. If I saw this for $9, I would definitely recommend picking it up. If it's more than $9, I don't know what it originally costs, but, if it's like over $20, I'd say don't bother. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all down the road.